So you didn't get an answer of $11,666.67. Hey, that's not a problem. This one was by far the hardest question. So here we go. A motorcycle dealer paid a certain price for a motorcycle and marked it up by 1/5 of the price he paid. Well, already, this is what is difficult about the problem. We do not know what the original price is. Later, he sold it for $14,000, so we have the ending price, but we need to work backwards and find the original. Okay, so our tape diagram, we're going to want to start that off just like you would any other time with the original price, but this time we don't know what it is. Since we can't write a dollar amount, we just have to use the word original. This is where the price started. Okay, and it tells us that he marked it up by 1/5. So whatever that original price is, just like we would have any other time, we need to divide this up into fifths and then mark it up by 1/5. Okay, just like we would expect, the price is going to get higher. We need to add 1/5 onto the end. And later he sold it for $14,000. Okay, so think about it. Where would the $14,000 go? We know that's the amount that's larger than the original. After we mark it up, the new selling cost is going to be $14,000. Now, there's only one other piece of information we know about this tape diagram. The $14,000 has to be divided up amongst all the boxes. Every single box is represented by the same amount of money. So when we divide up the $14,000, we're not going to divide it into 5 boxes. We need to divide $14,000 evenly into 6 boxes. And I'm willing to bet that's where the mistake was. So take that opportunity now to fix it. $14,000 divided into 6 equal amounts. How much is each box going to be worth? So each box is going to be worth $2,333.33. That's a lot to keep writing, but all that really matters is this last box, right? Because this is the part that we don't have in the original. If we get rid of this markup, okay, before we got to the $14,000, what would the original price have been? Okay, so you can think about it this way. Before we had that additional markup, what was the cost before we did all that addition of the $2,333.33? The correct answer, as you saw on the last slide, $11,666.67. So now, this opportunity, the next slide is going to have your exit ticket, and the only thing you will have is your homework.